What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Mandy the Machine, and this is iPhone 10 behind me. And after 5 long years, we are off to Mountainfest in Morgantown, West Virginia. So this used to be a bike rally that they used to do. They stopped doing it in 2019, I think. And they brought it back this year. So we are going to, it's the 4th of July. And I hope everybody's having an awesome 4th, or had an awesome 4th, since you won't see this video until probably this evening. Anyway, we are locked and loaded, and we are off to Morgantown, West Virginia. See you there, guys. Guys, we made a boring ride up the interstate, but we're here. Mountainfest 2024 is back after 5 years, like I said. So we're going to go around and check out and see what all they got. They're going to have bands, games, all kinds of different stuff all weekend. So if you're in the area, come on up to Triple S Harley Davidson in Morgantown, West Virginia, and check out Mountainfest 2024.
Before, sometimes we don't be playing.